Ayan, so andito tayo ngayon sa may Asok Station. Asok Station. Okay, yan siya. Ito ang Asok Station. Galing tayo kanina dyan sa Sukhumvit. Sukhumvit. Ito yan. So, tingnan lang natin ang paligid ng Asok Station at saka Sukhumvit. Sukhumvit, Asok. Where is Sukhumvit? Where is Sukhumvit? Sukhumvit. Yes. Here? This? This Sukhumvit?
Yeah,
This Sukhumvit?
Yes.
Okay. Nice. Thank you very much.
Where you from?
From Philippines.
How long been in Thailand?
Hello.
How long been in Thailand?
Oh?
How long been in Thailand?
5 days
5
only.
days.
Thank you. Thank you. I do YouTube.
Huh?
YouTube.
Huh?
YouTube. Now YouTube, this one.
Oh, you for YouTube.
Yes. Read this.
Wow.
Yeah.
Student, hi. New student.
Oh, what is this? Can you
New
tell?
student.
Can you tell something about this?
Okay.
Say something.
Okay, today I do CHR. Do you know CHR? CSR is a
what?
corporate social responsibility.
Okay, and then?
Okay. One child or woman SW every 70 minutes. All 30,000 people here in Thailand. With 50% cost by the apartment person. The Center for the Protection of Children Right Foundation propose of the foundation to keep children safe from child abuse. But annual everything is spent on the foundation is more than 70 million baht. Today we sell product as you know after executive transfer to the foundation. Today you can buy product anything.
It's for the foundation, right?
Product
Okay.
for you, money for children.
For the students, this.
Money for children, product for you.
How much is this?
นี่you take a look นะ อันนี้ thermos
Thermos.
yeah
Okay.
thermos Starbucks case.
Yes, and then?
Okay. And this is eco bag.
Okay, eco bag. This is eco bag.
Okay. This is t-shirt. T-shirt.
T-shirt, okay.
Okay. Today you help take a photo.
And
Take
then?
a photo with me นะ
And then, how much is this? How much will I pay?
Okay. แบบนี้ I'm no forcing นะ I recommend you superstar
Oh, I don't have that amount. This big amount, you know.
Support 300
No.
student. You have a credit card ไหม
No, I don't have. I'm so sorry. I am going back to the Philippines. Just promote. Say something. Maybe they can watch in YouTube, okay? Okay, say something.
Okay, I recommend you แบบนี้ได้ไหมจะเป็น promote this one ได้ไหม
Okay, just say something.
Okay. Okay. I understand.
Thai, but no problem. No problem with it. English is little only. No problem. Speak Thai language. Say something. Yeah. Thai people.
ของช่วยเหลือเด็ก
Oh, tell them. Thai.
ของช่วยเหลือเด็กโดนทำร้ายร่างกายโดนล่วงละเมิดโอเค
Okay, that's it.
Okay.
Okay, thank you very
Thank you.
much. Yeah.